I came to Ljubljana, to Slovenia, as a friend of the people and especially of Janeza Janše and SDS, who is our sister party. I'm sure that we are living in one Europe together, not only in freedom but also in responsibility. And future of family is future of our nations and countries. Together we have adopted a political resolution saying what is good for family is good for Europe. And in this spirit, we are interested in the outcome of referendum here in Slovenia, and we believe that the best interest of each child is to have a mother and a father, because this is the basic human right. This is something which builds stability and prospect for each child and each family. We have adopted our constitutional amendment in Slovakia confirming marriage as a union between man and a woman, and obligation of state to support marriage and family. I believe that this Christmas time in Ljubljana and Slovenia will bring two positive messages, not only about universal and traditional Christmas, but also positive outcome of this referendum, which means no vote to the questioning and weakening of family and marriage as a union between man and a woman.